Building with Papa. Okay, we're going to be putting some hurricane shutters on this project, and I'm giving you an overview of what it looks like right now, and then go through the process. All right, we're getting set up. We have our saw out, a table, here are the header tracks and the bottom tracks, and our panels. Okay, when you're measuring your windows, okay, you measure them and mark the center. Okay, you're going to want that mark there so that when you cut your top and bottom track, you mark the center of those. When you're up here handling the track, you're able to locate center very easily. Okay, now that you've measured your window, you want to go 1.5 inches as a minimum past the edge of the window on each side. Then you mark your track. This here is a header track, and I marked it 6 inches on center. Okay, you'll get that from your wind load calculations, and even though this window should probably be 8 inches on center, I just chose to go with 6 inches. It's going to be stronger. It's going to be Okay, this is the bottom track. We pre-drilled everything. Now we're going to drill in to be able to put our tap cons in. Again, I'm doing 6 inches on center. It's just easy. It's going to be better. You'll pass with no problem. All right, now we put the panels in and we put the wing nuts on. All right, so you can see this is basically for a window. This is what you would do. What we do when we put them up, then we number them. And all the numbers match the diagram. This is the diagram that you submit to the city showing them what openings and the number. We use a tool on the wing nuts and get them tight. We've got all of them up now and numbered. We left one sliding glass door off. The tenant asked us to. If you like this, leave a comment. Give me some questions if you need any assistance. And I hope you like this video, and see you on the next one.